Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is COSPAR Harrie Massey Award 2024. Recently, Indian astrophysicist Prahlad Chandra Agrawal received the prestigious COSPAR Harrie Massey Award 2024. The award was facilitated at the 45th COSPAR Scientific Assembly opening ceremony in Busan, South Korea. He is the first Indian scientist to receive this award. The award recognizes his outstanding contributions to the development of space research, particularly those in a leadership role. Along with a medal and citation, the awardee is honored by the naming of a minor planet on his name. The planet named after his name is 20064 Prahladagrawal. Now let's discuss about Prahlad Chandra Agrawal. He is the senior-most space scientist in India and a retired professor in the Department of Astronomy and Astrophysics at the Tata Institute of Fundamental Research. He was the principal investigator for the ambitious AstroSat project. It was India's first dedicated multi-wavelength space telescope. AstroSat was launched on 28 September 2015. Originally, mission was planned for 5 years, but it is still producing useful data. He was also a member of the Lunar Task Force set up by ISRO to prepare the project report of India's first moon mission, that is Chandrayaan-1. Now let's discuss about COSPAR Harrie Massey Award. The COSPAR Massey Award honors the memory of Sir Harrie Massey. He was the physical secretary of the Royal Society and a member of the COSPAR Bureau. This award recognizes outstanding contributions to the development of space research, interpreted in the widest sense, in which a leadership role is of particular importance. The award is open to candidates from any country. IAU names a minor planet for each COSPAR Award recipient. Now is the time for practice question. Which of the following Indian scientist has recently won the COSPAR Harrie Massey Award 2024? Anil Bhardwaj, Prahlad Chandra Agrawal, Srinivas R. Kulkarni or Devendra Lal? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates.
Dear viewers, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।